మరి ఎక్కువ కదా యాక్చువల్లీ ఇదే ప్రాక్టీస్ పెట్టాలా ఇప్పుడు చేస్తాను కదా ఎక్కువ పెట్టాలి ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్ కరెంట్ సెమిస్టర్ దానికే నోన్ పెట్టి దీనికి వేసి పెట్టేది కదా. I told you we are going to meet again after the break, but only 32 have joined so far. In spite of that, let us continue. Yesterday I did not continue because it was not informed beforehand. Now today I have already informed, and I hope you have given attendance.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again, I will give the link. If you have not given earlier, you can give attendance. Now only 32 are there. So this is one way of improving our vocabulary. Okay. Yeah. Can you give me 2 more words using miss?
Misbehave, mislead.
Right. Very
Mislead.
good. Misbehave, mislead. Very good. With un?
Misjudge.
Misuse, sir.
Very good. Misjudge.
Unexpected.
Correct. Unexpectedly.
Unwanted.
Unusual.
Unfortunately.
Unusual.
Unfortunately.
Very good. Here.
Unseen.
Unseen. Kite.
Unnecessary.
Uncontrollable. Very good.
Irresponsible. Unwanted. Unable.
Unedible. Inedible. That is inedible.
Unsatisfied.
Unscientific. Right. Here.
Unnecessary, sir.
Unnecessary.
Unhappy, sir.
Unhappy. Yeah. With here.
Irregular. Uncertain.
Uncertain.
Irregular.
Yeah. Irregular is there. One more.
Responsibility.
Irresponsible. Correct. Irresponsible.
Irrespective.
Irrespective. Correct.
Irritation.
No,
Irrelevant.
not irritation is not correct.
Irrelevant. Irrational.
Irrelevant. Irrational. Right.
Irrational.
Correct. Very good. And in. With in.
Insecure.
Insecure is invaluable. Right. Invaluable.
Incapable. Involve.
No, involve is single word. It is not a prefix. Involve is a single word. It is not a prefix.
Incomplete.
Incomplete. Insufficient.
Influence.
Intolerable. Right. Inappropriate. Right.
Insignificant.
Insignificant. Correct.
Intolerant.
Intolerable. Now
Impossible, imperfectly.
imperfect. Right. Imperfect.
Impatient. Impatient.
No. You not improve. Improve is a single word. So you must know the difference between a prefix and a single word. Improve.
Impatient.
Yeah, no. Let me tell you. Improve is a single word. There is no prefix in it. Im there in that word is not a prefix. Okay. It is not added to prove. If we add im to prove, that becomes prefix. No, it is not. Improve is a single word. Right. One more with im.
Impatient.
Improper. Right.
Impatient.
Impatient. Correct.
Immature.
Immature. Correct.
Important.
Important is a single word. If there is a word, is there a word like portent?
No.
If there is a word like portent, im is the prefix. No, there is no word like portent, right? Yeah.
Importal. Imperfect. Invaluable. Immoral. Imperfect. Immoral.
Yeah, imperfect.
Imagine.
Yes.
Immoral.
Right. Okay.
Invaluable.
Very good. Intolerable. Now.
Impossible.
Impure. Invaluable.
Yeah. Let us go to the next slide. In this slide, we are going to learn some suffixes. 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 What are the suffixes given here?
Meant,
Able,
able,
sense,
lake,
Sai, ion, eve, east, ish, really, iti, ian, all.
See, after the break, only 34 have joined. Okay. Now use these suffixes with these words.
environment,
Write in your notebook, please. Write in your notebook. Write in your notebook. Yeah. First, we have to know the meanings of these words. If you don't know the meanings of these words, you can check in dictionary. You can look up in dictionary. Do you have a dictionary with you? You have to always sit with a dictionary. When you are attending English class, you must have a dictionary beside you. Ramenda, you should have a dictionary beside you when you are attending English class. Now tell me the meaning of addict. Deference. Biology, idiom, consistent. Logic, parliament, scientific. You know this. Right. Now give me. Use these suffixes with these words. Write these suffixes in your notebook and write words using these suffixes. Add these suffixes.
addiction,
Addiction. Very good. Very good. Very good. Just listen. I'm repeating the word. When I'm repeating the word, all the others also have to listen to that word. Only then you can give the next word. Addict, addiction. Very good. Now you can know the meaning from dictionary. Addict, addiction. Next.
logical,
Logical, correct. Logical.
scientifically,
Biological.
scientific,
Scientifical. Scientifical is there?
scientifically,
Yeah, scientifically, right.
Differences.
Yeah. Difference.
biologically,
Biologically, correct. Correct.
Logically,
Logically, correct. Logically, correct. Consistent. Change it. Consistence. Consistence. Or consistently. Consistently. Or consistence.
parliamentary,
Parliamentary. 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 Idiom.
scientifically,
Idiom.
idiomatic,
Idiomatic. Is it there? Since it is not,
no sir,
it is not there. Idiomatic. Attic should be there. Idiomatic. Right.
logical,
Yeah, logical. Logically.
Scientifically.
Scientifically, yes.
addictive,
Addictive, correct. Addictive.
Different.
Differentially.
predictable,
Okay, you please make a note of these suffixes and these words, and for not just these words, using other words also, add these suffixes to the other words. Whichever words you can use, you have to use those words with these suffixes. Okay? Practice at home.
Differentiation.
Differentiation, very good. No, but we don't have difference. This is DE. See, this is difference. Difference. This is not DIFFER. It is not DIFFER. Difference. Now you have to use these words also in your own sentences. Please note down these words. Just for practice, use these words in your own sentences. Are you noting these words? Please note down quickly. Splendid, tolerate, fortunate, gaze, idle, translate, voyage, and compassion. Use these words in your own sentences. Yes, have you written? Have you begun writing?
Yes, sir.
Quickly. Splendid, tolerate, fortunate, gaze, idle, translate, voyage, compassion. Write your sentences for these words and share on WhatsApp. Clear? Write these words in your notebooks and write sentences using these words in your notebooks and share on WhatsApp. Not only this, these words also. These words and these suffixes are these suffixes, and you can add this meant. I think meant we could not find any word here in this. We can't add meant to any of these words. So give me a word, give me two words with meant, two words with able, two words with ants, two words with leave. Okay? This also you please share on WhatsApp. Now, there is another important thing. Jargon. What is a jargon? Please read it.
Sir,
Yeah.
Jargon is a type of language
sir,
that is used
SG
in a
ma'am sent us the link to join the
Jargon
next
is a
class, sir.
type of language that is
Pardon. Can you please repeat what you are speaking?
Sir, Shivakumari madam sent the link to join the next class, sir.
Okay, next class is there now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I thought you had no class. Okay, you can let us break here. Let us break here and begin with this on Monday. Okay, so I thought you had no class afterwards. That is why I was continuing. Okay, let us meet on Monday.
Thank you, sir.
You can disconnect. You can disconnect.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.